All right, welcome to Southern Comfort Cove. I'm going to do a video here on how to use the dishwasher. So we do provide a couple of dishwasher tablets here to get you started, but you can also bring your own. The dishwasher tablet or powder would go here in this, so you would just put this in like so and close it. It does already come with jet dry in there. You would load your dishes. Now here on the top, you're just going to select the start button, select your cycle. So you can do a quick cycle, heavy or normal. And then you're gonna press start again and shut the door. And that's what will trigger it to start. And that's it. When it's done, it will have a little light that says clean. And then you'll know that you can empty the dishwasher. Thank you.